What's the deal, y'all? This your boy Motor City Neek, man, and I'm checking back with another video. Your boy is on the grind, man. I'm here at my storage garage where you see I'm working on this new dashboard, man. So I got this dashboard I got to spray. I kind of left out some of the details on y'all with it, man, because I didn't show it. I just started working, but I had to sand down a couple little smooth spots over there, man. I had to put some putty and some Bondo in it. So long story short, man, I had just got busy to it and I ain't even started showing y'all the process. But another thing, your boy got my SS grill. So I gotta put this together, man. The only catch-22 is with my SS grill, my new grill that I got. I just want it crispy, man. So I gotta, sand down some spots and put another clear coat and some paint over it. But the grind don't stop, man. It's been a minute, so, unfortunately, a boy been under the weather and I ain't able to post no videos in a while. So, man, that's the reason why y'all ain't seen no new content lately. But your boy back grinding, so, I'm going to show you the process when I'm done. But this is the before, and I'll show you the after. I even show you when I put it in, too, so. All right, Motor City crew, you see your boy done sprayed and laid the dashboard. Nice and crispy, black, looking good. Got some little residue stuff on there, but that mug looking good. I'm gonna hit that mug with probably one more coat, semi-gloss. But this right here is my grill. So I took the grill out and I'm about to re-sand this one, re-clear it, fill in those spots, get it nice and crispy, and then spray this one crispy jet black, and then put that back in there. I'm in the red thing right now, but once I get done with this, I'm gonna load all that stuff up, and I'm gonna put that into the Caprice, and then we're gonna put it in the end. But I'm on to this stage, so I'll show y'all when I get close to being done. All right, Motor City crew, man, your boy done tapped back in. I done sanded it down, so I got it pretty even for the most part. Slapped me some nice little Bondo on some of these spots, man. So I'm gonna do one more sanding after that, and once I do this one last sanding, then I am going to get ready to spray it. So right now I'm about to just sit this mug down, let it dry, get a nice little air dry. Once that dry, then I'm gonna hit it with another sand, and then I'm gonna get ready to spray that mug, and I'm gonna just wipe this down a little bit, and then this one is good to go. And I can put that into the Impala. All right, your boy got it all sanded down, nice and even. So time to hit it with that good lubricant factory spray. So I'm about to spray this mug down. See that one over there, crispy and done. I'm gonna knock this out real quick. Show y'all the results in a minute. All right, y'all. You can see. Ooh, look at that. That nice wet black. And I ain't even put the clear gloss on it yet. So once it dry, your boy gonna put that nice clear on there. And then once I throw that clear on there, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to button that grill back down. Y'all see the results. I'm getting there. Ooh-wee. That mug gonna look so crispy. Boy. But when I throw these coats of clear on it, I let y'all see what it looked like. Y'all see it, you know, it had all them scars on it. I filled them in. Look at that, man. All right, y'all, your boy Motor City Neat back, man. I done got back to the crib, and shoot, man, I got stuff on my face. But back to the crib, man. I'm in the Impala now, so as you can see from the looks of that, your boy busting down this dashboard, man. So once I get this dashboard taken out, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one in there, which is in the Caprice right now. Shit, I don't know if you can see right there. That's the Grille. But I'm getting busy, man. I'm about to get this stuff put in there, and I'm about to swap this dashboard out and get rid of this one, man. You can see I got them cracks, man. It's in pretty bad shape, man. I just gotta switch it out, man. Put that crispy one in there. So I tap in with you when I get that mug put in there. All right, Motor City crew, you see it. Your boy done dropped this lower dashboard. So I got one side down. I'm about to do that side where the glove compartment at. And once I get to that, then I can access the bolts that hold the top dash here all the way around. And, you know what I'm saying? I can get that one popped out and get that new joint in there. So I'm getting there, almost there though. Moving fast, you know me, I don't hesitate. All right, Motor City crew, man. Your boy got the dashboard out this motherfucker. You can see. Yeah. The mug cracked up. So now, it's time to grab this crispy one. You see that mug? Woo. That nice semi-gloss black joint. So I'm about to toss this mug in here. Oh yeah, nice, clean, crispy, smooth. So time to toss this joint into the Imp, and I'll check in with you in a minute. All right, Motor City crew. You see it, man. That good old dashboard is in there. That mug is nice, man. Crispy. And I like the little semi-gloss look, so, I mean, I like that. I'm feeling it. So, that joint in there. And that's the old one. You see that right there, so. Let me go ahead and button these screws down and get this going and take it to the car wash so I can work on this Grille. All right, y'all. Man, sorry for all the air blowing and the steam, but there it go. I like this joint better. I like the gloss. I like the semi-gloss. It's not full gloss, but it's a semi-gloss. Like, you know, it's a little sleek shine to it, and I think it kind of complements everything that's in the car. You know, little accents and stuff that I got in the car, details of the car, but, you know, I gotta put that back on there. I got something sweet I'm about to do and put it there, but it looks better, man. I like it. It looks a hell of a lot better. So, all right, on to the Grille, and then I'll check back with y'all in a second. See, and I got that gazelle right there. I'm about to put that back together. All right, y'all. Your boy done tied the Grille back in. See, it's nice and clean and crispy. Damn, hold on, y'all. My bad, gotta clean the screen off. There we go. Nice, there we go. Very nice and crispy though. But there we go. Crispy, clean, black Grille. Yep, I got that boy in there. Now, time to slap it on the Imp. But I gotta get a car wash first, so I'm gonna get a car wash and then I'm gonna slap it on there. But it's in there. So show you what it look like when it's done. Don't mind the car, man. It's dirty though, but just wanna give y'all that before look. See what light. I toss it in there. All right, Motor City crew, man, your boy back. It's been a long day, man. It's been some hard work, but your boy done got it done, man. So I done got the car cleaned up. Look at that, ooh, that black beam, man. Ooh, you see that grill? Look at that, look at that. You see that grill? Look at that, look at that. That boy is in there. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. Drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts, your ideas. What y'all feel about the new grill. Y'all think it compliment the car? Let me know. But as you can see, I beamed up the car. Also got the dashboard. See, I got that nice semi-gloss dashboard in there. So that mug's in there. Everything looking good. Everything clean. This is the next thing I work on, man, my seats. But there you go. Big lips. Look at that. Big lips. All right, Motor City crew, man, your boy is done. I finally completed this video, man. It's been a long day. The grind don't stop, man, but can't complain, man. I'm satisfied with some of the stuff that I got done, man. I've been trying to get this stuff done for the longest, man, but it's done, and I got this complete, man. A couple little more intricate details to my interior, man, and then I had this mug like 100% complete. Right now, I'm getting there, man. I'm almost close to 100, you know what I'm saying? Everything looking good on the up and up, so can't complain, man. But be sure, man, y'all got through this video, man. You've been rocking with your boy, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell, man. Join the Motor City crew, man. Join it so you stay up to date with everything your boy do, man. Your boy posts, you know what I'm saying, frequent videos, man. Like I said, I've been under the weather for a little bit, man, so I ain't been able to post lately. But, you know, I'm back. I'm good, healthy, man. It ain't nothing serious, you know, just basic allergies and seasonal stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I'm back on the grind, man. I'm back at it. So, you know, my next video, man, is going to be when your boy go to Atlanta for that Wits by Wade car show. So, man, definitely stay in, tap in, man. Check in with your boy. But once again, it's your boy, Motor City Neek, man. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.